In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grow your email list with System.io. To get started, log into your System.io dashboard. This is where you will set up the funnel that collects subscriber information and helps you build your audience in an organized way. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to Funnels and click Create. This will begin the process of building a new funnel specifically for capturing email leads. When prompted, give your funnel a name that clearly reflects the purpose of your list. Then choose the Build an Audience goal and click Save. This goal is designed for lead generation, so it is the right option when your focus is growing an email list. After the funnel is created, open it and look to the left side of the screen. Select the Opt-in page step. This is the page your visitors will see before they join your list, so it is an important part of the process. Next, choose a template and click Select. Pick a layout that matches your offer and keeps the page simple and easy to understand. Now click the Edit Page icon shown with the magic wand to customize the page. Here you will update the lead magnet offer and adjust the form fields. Make sure the offer is clear and the form only asks for the information you really need. Keeping forms short can help improve signups. Once your changes are finished, click Save Changes and exit the builder. The next part is organizing your subscribers. Go to CRM, then Tags, and click Create to make a tag for your list. Tags help you label contacts so you can track where subscribers came from and manage them more effectively later. After that, return to your funnel and click the Automation Rules tab. This is where you tell System.io what should happen automatically when someone subscribes through your opt-in form. Click Add Rule and choose Funnel Step Form Subscribed as the trigger. This means the automation will start as soon as a person submits the form on that funnel step. Next, click Add Action and select Add a Tag. Choose the tag you created so every new subscriber is labeled automatically. This saves time and keeps your list organized from the beginning. When everything looks correct, click Save Rule. At this point, your funnel is set up to collect leads and automatically tag each new subscriber. That covers everything you need to know.